right, you're in for a real treat. Today we are touring the Princess Aurora Royal Suite. Come inside and let's see what it looks like.
All right.
This is a 2-floor suite, so beautiful. Hi.
Hello.
How are
Hello.
you?
Great, how are you?
Oh, wow.
We're great.
Hello.
This is beautiful.
Hello, how are you?
So this, like the kitchen here.
You
is
walk right
just-
into the kitchen.
Walk right into the kitchen.
That's
Very
nice.
nice. Nespresso machine. As you can see, there's a refrigerator here. I love how the refrigerator is like a hidden refrigerator. It blends in with the cabinetry. Very nice. So
Very
beautiful. Beautiful. What do you call these things? An island. Beautiful island. Love it. This is a table for 6, dining room for 6.
6. Yeah.
Really, really nice.
Look at the chandelier.
In a far away land long ago. So beautiful. Over here is a beautiful bedroom. Look at the beautiful bedding. King size bed. Huge TV.
Wait, I can't ignore. Have you seen outside this window?
I just wanted to show the little birdies
Oh.
under the lights.
Oh.
Okay. Absolutely gorgeous. The beautiful birds.
Wait, did you look outside?
Yes, I did look outside. Let's step
Let's
outside.
just
really
not
quick.
even. Yeah. Let's just get right into it.
Woo-wee.
This is in your room.
This is outside of your room. This is
Wow.
the veranda. This is just no regular veranda, darling. This veranda has a full-on whirlpool tub, so you can soak your body away along the Caribbean Ocean.
Wow.
Absolutely beautiful. No, you cannot get in. You can just look. No, you will not just put your feet. We are here just to look. Okay?
Royce, you know
can
what?
also-
Royce, I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at you. That is very respectable.
And as you can
Wow.
see, you can have your dinner out here. It is a concierge room, so they can deliver,
Whatever you want.
Whatever you want, and you can sit out
Drinks.
here, drinks, dinner,
Dinner,
food.
right.
The world is yours when you
Right.
have the Aurora
Yeah.
Suite.
What do you need the rest of the ship for, right?
Exactly.
Oh man. Royce, dip your toes in. Dip the toes.
Oh, this is nice. Yeah.
Wow. All right. Nice TV built into the wall, looks like. Very nice.
Step in here into a full-on walk-in closet. Okay. This is the size of someone's bedroom, okay? This is like the size of a New York City apartment.
Right.
A studio apartment.
Yeah.
Okay.
$2,000 a month.
And then you open up the next door,
Oh.
and it takes you into the bathroom,
This
which
is
is
nice,
very
guys.
beautiful. What kind of products are those?
Bulgari.
Bulgari. We love Bulgari. Very class. Pump a little.
Yeah, pop up. Yo, hit me on the elbow. Yeah, the elbow real quick.
Get
Catch me
everything.
too. Catch me too.
No,
Catch
no,
me
no,
too.
you good.
All right. Yeah, I want to smell good too, man. Hit me.
Oh, it smells good.
That's what I'm saying.
Smells real good.
Yo, I got 2 elbows. So yeah. Yeah, put some on your chest. Put some on your chest.
All right, so
All right,
we,
yeah.
back to the tour.
Yeah, sorry, guys.
Very nice. The shower is a beautiful stand-up shower with a rain head shower head. A rain head shower head, yes. Really, really nice. Look at the
Very
tiles. I love the gold fixtures. Everything here is really, really beautiful.
That gold on that marble. Very
Gorgeous.
classy.
All right. Okay, over here is the other inch door so that you can go outside to your beautiful veranda.
The extra large
Extra
veranda.
large veranda. Over here is the living room. You can sit, entertain, chit chat, talk. Does this pull up to a TV?
Yes, it does, and it swirls.
Oh, and it swirls. We love a TV that swirls.
Wow.
So you can sit here and watch a TV.
TV
here,
comes up,
or you can
turns.
turn around while you're eating your dinner or sitting at the table.
Many
and
options.
entertaining your guests. And
Yes.
this cabin, this suite is for 8.
It's up to 6 people.
Up to 6 people. This one is up to 6 people. All right. Thank you.
Ooh, it has a staircase.
Wow.
Here's the bed.
Whoa.
Here's the bed.
Whoa. And this is. Wow.
Wow, look at that view.
And here's the TV.
Wow. Makeup? Okay.
And here a crown and birds.
Crown and birds. Look at the crown.
A nice sitting chair.
Right.
Yeah.
So and look at that view.
So gorgeous.
Everything here is made for you to feel like royalty. Oops, I didn't mean to sit on the bed. I got too comfortable.
I know, you sure
I
did.
surely did.
Make yourself at home, why don't
You
you?
wouldn't want to leave here.
Make
I was
yourself.
meant to stay here, huh?
Yeah, I mean the way you got comfortable.
Look at the beautiful wallpaper with the castle. Absolutely love it. Really,
Right.
really nice. All right, so through this way. Go ahead, tell them.
What do we got, Rain?
We got the closet.
A closet?
What's another Royce?
Wow. And look at these nice plush, thick robes. Oh, very classy, darling.
Now,
Put the robe on me. This is a lot of storage space as
A lot.
well.
Talk to me, Rain.
The bathroom. Look a nice, beautiful view.
That is. Wow.
With 2 sinks,
Two sinks, double sinks.
a shower.
The amount of light and oh man.
Could you imagine getting into the shower, looking at the beautiful Caribbean
Right.
Ocean, and
But
just,
even when it's not here and it's sailing, you would just be watching the ship sail from there?
from the shower or from soaking in the tub.
Wow. Yeah, this is
This is
better than the bigger suite.
yes, this is beautiful. I love this. And then over here is the toilet. I like this frosted glass, the way they have
Right.
it like this.
Gives
for
you a little privacy. Right.
Absolutely.
Hey, what are you doing? You about to poop? That's the pooping
Oh,
station. Go
look,
ahead.
look, look.
Oh, wow.
When you flip the switch.
Nice.
When we do one more time.
Wow. Do it again. Do it again.
Wow.
Oh.
So if you feel like somebody's watching you, you can just hit the switch and then you have privacy.
That is very cool.
Love
Very,
that.
very
Thank you.
cool.
Okay. All right, guys. We hope that you enjoyed the tour of the Aurora Suite. Absolutely gorgeous. It is 2 bedrooms, and then the other bed is the couch.
Right.
It pulls out into a bed, so it sleeps 6 comfortably.
And the views are
The
amazing.
views, yeah, the views are amazing. And can't you see yourself here? Comment below if you could see yourself in this very suite.
Or if you have better things to do and better places to go, you could tell us about that too. Maybe that's where we need to go.
But this is absolutely magical, beautiful. It is a dream. Manifest it, and you're gonna be here too. Cause one day I'm gonna get this room. Okay, y'all gonna see me in this room. I'm gonna tell you. Yep, I told you I was gonna stay in Aurora Suite.
And then we're going to run it back. You're going to see this video.
Yep, exactly. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to give us a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with who? Your friends and family. Don't forget to drop a comment. And until the next time, guys, continue to live
A rich.
and jazzy
Live.
life. Bye.
Bye, guys.